Wait. Before I started to speak something, first of all, I wanted to thank you, our social faculty, Tanish Razum sir, for giving us opportunity to perform this debate argument. So, hello everyone and very warm good morning to all of you present here. This is Archie from class 10B and I'm here to perform and debate argument. So today we are going to perform a debate argument, and you must be thinking, what is the topic of this debate argument? So the topic of this debate argument is that the election that is going in this pandemic COVID situation is have to be cancelled or not. Okay, so I will be doing the anchoring in this debate argument. Hello, and I welcome you in this debate argument. So this is Ashi, and today we will be performing a debate argument, as you know that. So as I've earlier told you that I have two speakers. The first one is Rushda and the second one is Arifa. So Rushda is going to be favor of this topic and Arifa is going to be against of this topic. So first call Rushda and let's see which point of view she tells.
Good morning to all of you. Today I, Rushda of class 10B, is going to deliver a short speech on the topic, election should be held in this pandemic or not. So my opinion is that election should not be held in this pandemic. So let's begin the topic. So we are very unaware of the current condition of our country. The sudden spread of COVID-19 has been disrupted all aspects of public life. In this, democratic elections are extremely challenging to be held because election needs intense public attraction, mass communication, and also large chemical increase the number of viruses, which is very harmful for us, and also it can kill them. We know that we can't hold elections in proper precautions like social distancing, which is very important in this pandemic. The sudden occurrence of COVID-19 has already taken many lives, so we have to save our life also and other life also. Moreover, we know that if a transport system, offices, and the most important thing of our country, the education system has been closed, then why the election is going to be held? Is election is more important than the education system?
Thank you, Rushda, for giving this topic a time and speak very well. According to you, Rushda, you have told that even education kind of important thing or business, offices, means each and everything, railways are stopped, then why the election should also held? It should also be stopped. Well, I'm quite impressed from your speech. So thank you, Rushda, for giving this opinion. So nice to talk with you, Rushda. Now moving further, now I will be calling to Arifa and let's see which point of view she tells.
A very warm good morning to respected teachers and all my fellow colleagues. I am Arifa Kareem from class 10B, here to discuss and debate on the topic, is it inappropriate for the government to hold election in a dire situation like this? And I will be speaking against it. That is, I will be pointing out some of the reasons why it is not inappropriate for the government to hold election in a condition like this. We all are very well aware of the condition of our country right now, and knowing that the best way to prevent COVID-19 is to lock ourselves inside our houses. But that isn't a solution for everything. Things like running a country needs proper government, election and rallies and so on. And that is why, according to me, I think elections should be held even in a dire situation like this, as it is one of the main features of democracy. And also the government is not asking its citizens to participate in large gathering. Plus, COVID-19 should not be a problem if the elections are held taking full security, full safety measures and precaution.
Thank you, Arifa, for giving this topic time and speak very well. So according to you, Arifa, you wanted to tell that precaution is in our hand. If we will gather in a place for the voting, then we can follow precaution, safety, etc. Nice. Okay, so nice talk with you, Arifa. So now I'm wondering to ask question. So first of all, this question rises from you, Rushda. So the question is, if the election will not held, then how the representative will change and how the new change will come in our country? This question is from you, Rushda. Please tell.
See, my point was not that election will never held in our country. I just want to say that election will be held, but after some time. Because election is not very much important than our life. We know that the current condition of our country is getting worse, and also our country has suffered a lot. So if election will be held in this pandemic, there will be no social distancing and the number of viruses will be increased, which is very harmful for our country.
Okay, Rajda, thank you for your answer. So now I'm wondering to ask a question from Arifa. So Arifa, this question from you, that if election is more important than life? Please answer.
And of course not. Nothing is more important than life. And if the government or authorities makes up their mind for holding election, I'm pretty sure they'll do everything they can to set up safety measures as well, because they wouldn't want to risk lives of their citizens.
Okay, thanks Arifa for giving your answer.
So lastly, I want to conclude that election should not be held in India in this pandemic. As like before also I have said, if election will be held in India, the number of viruses will be increased, and which is very harmful for our country. So lastly, I want to thank all my listeners.
So at the end, I just want to conclude that it is important that the election is held along with all the other safety measures, and like I said before, as it is one of the main feature of democracy and also a way by which people elect their own representatives. So it is important that the election is held. I hope that's all for today. I hope you liked it and have a good day.
That's their opinion. Now what I think, let's see. I think that elections should not be held in our country while the pandemic COVID situation, because when everything was stopped, education, office, bank, means each and everything, while we have not expected this, but it was stopped, then why election should also happen? It should also be stopped, right? It should also be stopped. Rather than, I have one solution also, that when education, offices and shopping, all the things are going to the online system, then government should take a responsibility and take out and create an online system in which the people can vote, right? Because what we know, from the बचपन we are going to study कि बचपन से हम पढ़ते आते हैं what is the election is a large gathering जिसमें बहुत सारे people मिलके एक जगह पे vote करते हैं. Well, this is our debate argument, and thank you my participant for performing in this debate argument for me. And also I would like to thank you my viewers who are watching this video. And stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, and keep safe yourself. Bye. This is Ashi signing off.